Namaste students. Now we will keep continuing exercise 4.4. In 4.3 question 6 and 7 will be homework for you. If you want to write in your notebook, you can write from PDF. I will send PDF also, and you can do yourself. Then you can give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation. So here we have solved in two ways, in one variable and in two variable. So in one variable y equal to 3 need not any x variable. So only y equal to 3. So we can draw in this way. Graph. Here is the 0 in between. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Y equal to 3, here y equal to 3. We can represent this point as a geometric representation. This is y and this is y dash. We did not draw x axis because we have only here y variable. Okay, so this is the point. This is the representation of y equal to 3. Means 0, 3. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. So this is the representation of y equal to 3. Okay. Now we are going to draw second number in two variables. We know that in two variables we have need x and y both variable. So we have not given here x, so we can write 0x plus y equal to 3. Okay, 0x and y equal to 3. So this is the linear equation in two variable. Whatever 0 multiply x, it will be 0, but we have represent in this way. So y equal to 3 is the most important. First we can draw in this way. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from the 0 we can draw also x axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, here is the 0, 0 origin. So we know that this is y equal to 3, this point. Okay, it is 0, 3, but we have written 0x. Okay, 0x means there is no x variable, so we can draw in this way, line also. Okay, so which point we will get? Suppose 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, this is the x axis. If you want to draw here 3, okay, x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. If we draw minus 2 from this here, so minus 2, 3. This is the another representation. But important is this 0, 3. This point is represent linear equation in two variable. Okay. So you can write out in your notebook. We can represent this point 3, 3. If you draw here 2, 3, x coordinate will be changed, but y will be same. Minus 2, 3 in this way. Okay. So draw this figure in your notebook or in your graph. Okay. Now we will solve second then. Okay. Now, question 2, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation. Okay, 2x plus 9 equal to 0. This equation we have given. So, 2x equal to plus 9 exposing to that side, that is minus 9. Therefore, x equal to minus 9 upon 2. If you divide 2 4s are 8, one remainder, and 0, 2 5 are 10, that is 4.5. 4.5 means in between 4 and 5. Okay, x equal to, did not draw y axis. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay? We need minus 9 upon 2, minus 4.5. This is 4 and this is 5, minus 4. And minus, in between this point, we can draw in this way. Okay? This is x-axis. Need not draw y-axis because only x in one variable. Okay, so this point is minus 9 upon 2, 0. X-axis minus 9 upon 2 and y-axis is not given. So if y coordinate will be 0. So this is the representation of linear equation in one variable. Now in two variables, 2x plus 0y. Okay, y variable is not given, but we have right because equation in two variables. So 2x is given plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now here we have represented in this way x-axis. First we have drawn x-axis in this way. Zero, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. The point is given in between. Minus 9 upon 2 is given here. Between minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, this point is, we know that minus 9 upon 2 and 0. But from here we can draw x-axis from 0. X dash, y dash. Here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, but now here we have drawn x equal to already, but y coordinate is not. So we can draw parallel line. We can draw parallel line from passing through this point. Okay, it must be parallel. So we can, here is the 3. If you want to write here will be 3. Okay, x coordinate is minus 9 upon 2 and y coordinate is 3. Okay, here you can also write here is the also we can obtain point. If you want to write any 1, 2, 3, whatever, what will be this point? Minus 9 upon 2 and y coordinate minus 4. If you want to write another point, you can write here. But this is the represent of given linear equation in two variables. Okay, right now 4.4 is complete.